Welcome to our first hiking guide to a mountain called Serles. It's located in Tirol and is most often seen on the way from Innsbruck to Italy. A magnificent isolated pyramid of rock. Local legend tells of a fierce knight and his two sons, cursed by a farmer because of their ruthless temper and barbaric ways. Now King Serles and his two lesser peaks lie where his castle once stood, an eternal reminder of their tale. This remarkable trio of summits mesmerized the great Goethe during his travels to Italy, earning them the enchanting title Hochaltar Tirols, High Altar of Tirol, as a tribute to their grandeur. Isn't that fascinating? The journey from Waldrast is absolutely breathtaking and invigorating. Starting from the charming monastery of Maria Waldrast, the hike brings you through picturesque alpine scenery with the trail winding its way up through lush meadows and rocky paths. The elevation gain on this glorious ascent is approximately 1,418 meters, about 4,650 feet, taking you from an elevation of around 1,300 meters in Waldrast to the magnificent summit of Serles, 2,718 meters. The hiking trail to Serles begins directly at the fountain of the monastery, where the fresh air and tranquil surroundings create a special atmosphere right from the start. Initially, the path ascends steeply through dense forest for about 20 minutes, which requires a fair amount of effort, but also provides a wonderful opportunity to enjoy nature. As you wander through the thicket, the path continues diagonally through steep terrain where small, delicate dwarf pines cling to the rocks, illustrating nature's resilience. You pass channels filled with gravel that lie before the cliffs, making the ascent an unforgettable experience, until you finally reach a wide high valley that unfolds between the steep eastern walls of Lempermaspitze and the mighty Serles. Passing a small, bubbling spring, the path then continues steeply up to the Serles Circle at an impressive height of 2,384 meters. Once you reach the pass, you turn right towards a rock ledge that is secured with a small ladder and cable, adding to the thrill of the challenge. After this section, you arrive at a narrow mountain path that partially leads over rubble and debris, and the ascent becomes steeper again, heightening the anticipation for the large and spacious summit plateau that rises at 2,718 meters. To the north you'll see the vibrant city of Innsbruck nestled in the valley, while the majestic Stubaier Alps stretch out in all their glory to the south. Witnessing a sunset from the summit of Serles is an experience that words can hardly capture. The moment the sun begins to dip below the horizon, the entire landscape transforms into a dream spectacle of color and light. As the sky shifts from brilliant blue to hues of orange, pink and purple, it creates a breathtaking canvas that bathes the surrounding mountains in a warm golden glow. The rugged peaks take on a mystical quality as they bask in the fading sunlight, casting long shadows that dance across the landscape.